On today's video, we're going to be looking at this right here on the board. These sounds, the SH, CH, GH, PH, WH, RH, TH, plus the vowels right here on the board. In a previous video, I made mention of the fact that some of these letter combinations sounds differently when they appear at the end of the word compared to when they appear at the beginning of the word. So on today's video, we're going to be looking at how we can actually pronounce them when they begin a word. So let's dive straight into it. And if you see me for the first time, don't make it a last. This is what we do here. This is English Affairs 101, and I am Tina. Join the family by subscribing. So let's dive straight into what we have here. The magic that is actually going on right on this board here is this. I have SH plus the vowels A, E, I, O, U, CH plus the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So that's exactly what's going on right here. So if you look at this place as we have been doing it before now, we have A, E, I, U, O. So that is what it is. Sha, she, she, shu, sho. Sha, she, she, shu, sho. Cha, che, chi, chu, cho. Cha, che, chi, chu, cho. Ga, ge, gi, gu, go. Ga, ge, gi, gu, go. Fa, fe, fi, fu, fo. Fa, fe, fi, fu, fo. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ra, re, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ta, de, ta. It's not ti, it's not di. Ta, ta, ta. The combination of ti and di. Ta, de, ti, to, tu. Ta, de, ti, do, tu. So let's move to the next stage, which is trying to pronounce the words that matches to see if actually our sounds are what it is. So let's go. Sha, she, shi, shu, sho. Sh, sh. What is this? The ch, ch. This is she, chi, sh, chi, she, chi. So let's try pronouncing the words. We have shack, shack, shack. Shadow, shadow, shadow. We have shallow, shallow. Shame, shame. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Okay, we have she, we have sheep, sheep. Sheet, sheet, sheet. Chef, chef, chef. This is the S sound. This is the R sound. Okay, we have shell, shell, shell. We have shelter, shelter. And now we have the she, she. The I is quite pronounced, very high. So we have the shine, shine, sheet, shelled, shifts. All right, down to the shoe. This is shoe. We have shoot, shooter, shooter, shone, 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 shuffle, shuffle. Sha, she, shi, shu, sho. Sha, she, chi, chu, cho. Sha, she, chi, chu, cho. Now there's one thing I want us to understand here. I always make mention of the fact that C can be pronounced in different form. Okay, they can be pronounced in 3 different forms actually, and sometimes you see them sounding as K, sometimes as C, sometimes as Se. All right, okay, so we're going to be seeing that right on the wordings here. So let's try pronouncing the words. So we have cha. This is cha. This is challenge. Challenge. We have chalice. 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 You have champion. Champion. We have ka. This is now sounding like K. We have ka. And when it's here, it's K because E and A. Ka. K. This is chameleon. We have campaign. Chameleon. Campaign. And we have change. Okay, so now let's see the che, e, cha, che, check, cheat, cheer, to cheer up. Then chemical, and we have mixed. Okay, don't forget the essence of we doing this is just to tackle pronunciation challenge. And now we have chi, chi. So we have Chicago. We have chicken. We have chef. We have children. Chill. So now let's move to the next one. We have chu. This is the chu, CHU, and this is the cho. So we have chu. We have church. Some call it church. Okay. We have chubby. We have been chubby. Okay. We have choco. All right. Now to the next one. Have the chocolate, choice, choke, chosen, chop. Okay, so I have ga, ge, gi, gu, go. Okay, ga, ge, gi, gu, go. So I have ga, Ghana, gasly, gali, gat. I have ge, I have ghetto, I have gi. This and this are not things, they don't have words we are familiar with. And the essence of doing this is for us to get to know how to pronounce words. Okay, so I don't want to make it any kind of difficult. The words they have are not something that we can easily pronounce for a beginner. So let's proceed. So you can skip this too, or you can find it out by yourself, or as well you can check it out in your dialect, in your language. All right, so let's proceed. So I have go, ghost, gosha, gotra. Okay, I have fa, fe, fi, fu, fo. Okay, fa, fe, fi, fu, fo. All right, so right here you see ph sounding like f. Okay, so let's see the words following them. We have phantom, pharmacist, fatigue, pharaoh. Okay, phantom, pharmacist, fatigue, pharaoh. And we have the phenomenal, phenotype. We have Phil, we have Philip, philosopher, philanthropist. And for this PHU, like I said right here, the words we have there are a little somehow difficult to pronounce. So we're going to skip that, okay, because we are getting this right from the basic. So I want it to be as easy as possible, right? So let's continue. We have phobia, phonics, photo, phone, okay? Phobia, phonics, photo, phone. The next one, which is the WHA downwards, we have wa, where, we, wo, woo, wa, we, we, wo, woo. Okay, right? So we have words following them like what, wall, whack. We have the where sound, we have the wait, the will, the when, where, with, will, when, and where. All right, and to this we have whiskey, whispered, whispered, whip, Winnie. Now we have the WHO, which is a word on itself, woo. So we have woo, wool, as in whole, and we have what. So over to the other side, this is THA. As we normally do, we have ta, ta, ta. Not T, not D, but the mixture of D and T gives us this sound. We have ta, 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 that, Thailand, thanks, terrified. All right, so we have D. This is word on its own already, D. Okay, we have D, they, them, theater, theory. Tasty, thick, thief, thin, think. Tasty, thick, thief, thin, think. Okay, so the next one we have the two. This is you. Okay, we have thump, thunder, tug. Thump, thunder, tongue. All right, the next one we have toe. All right, so as you can see, at some point it sounds like in between D and T, and at some point again it sounds like T. That's English for you, right? So let's continue. You have toe, you have Thomas, taught, ton, right? Toe, Thomas, taught, ton. Okay, to the next and the last on the list, we have the RHA, go down. All right, we have ria, 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 re, real, 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 ro, ro, ro. Okay, so this is somewhat difficult to pronounce, but you got to try it, right? Though the words, some of them are not something we use on daily basis, but at the same time we use them. Okay, so let's see the words. We have Rafi, we have rhapsody, Rafi, rhapsody, Frey, rhetoric, we have rhetoric, we have rheumatic, and we have real, rhizopod, rhizone, and rhinoscope. Okay, so we have the rule, we have ruse, not ruse, ruse, we have room, we have rhubarb. Okay, so the last on this list is RHO, and that is Rhodes. We have Rome, and we have road fright. All right, you can go over it again on your own to see how well you are getting the pronunciation. So this is what it is for this video, and I hope you got something out of it. And don't forget, if you're yet to subscribe, please join the family by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and bye for now.